Hello and welcome, University of Idaho students. I wanted to thank you for your suggestions on my first screencast. I went ahead and changed from a 3-pick progression to a single unit poster. So this billboard, in difference to my other, is one basic image rather than this equals something. I went ahead and went with secondhand smoke kills the innocent. And I said that in red. I really wanted to use red in the other, and I couldn't do it with the contrast I had. It didn't look right. So what I did was use typography, and in order to use that jarring color red, I went ahead and put a black base behind it to try to make it pop more. I even, basically I wrote it twice to offset and kind of give you some depth to that 3D type of look. I also made the cigarette the villain versus Darth Vader. I think that's the real killer, is the smoke, so I wanted to make that painfully obvious. As far as the border, I went ahead and left the white border so you could see a contrast of color, and then you would pick that up as well. I did not want to make everything symmetrical because you tend to not notice something if everything's all lined up and everything's perfect. I wanted something to jar, something that you would see. So I went ahead and I kicked one of the babies at an angle. It looks almost as a mistake, but I wanted you to notice that the baby's falling down. Also, the black X's on the eyes are rather jarring, and we use children or babies as innocent in death. I also think that's kind of a gruesome type of notice, but it's a serious thing. There are over 3,000 individuals in the U.S. that die from cancer that are non-smokers every year. So that's just one statistic. Along with many other studies, I just think that if that is the case, then there's something that needs to be done about it. And I'm hoping that this type of scenario, this jarring idea, would make people think when they're just out blowing in the wind and affecting others. I really appreciate the opportunity to share this with you, and I also appreciate your guys' feedback. Thanks, and I look forward to the next assignment.